Good afternoon everyone, this is Richard Faulkner for fxtradingalerts.com. It's Friday at 2:47 and it's the 19th. We're short the pound Swiss, it's 15-minute chart, and we are short at, bear with me a second, 3008, which is there. Okay, so basically this is quite a simple setup. It's a trend line break, but how do you know which trend lines are going to hold and which ones are going to break? The answer is you don't, and nobody does. But what you want to be looking for is, and this is where your EMAs come into being quite handy, is you want to see your EMAs rolling over. So we use the 20, the 50 and the 200. Now if they're all aligning in the right direction, so obviously start your lowest time frame, which would be 1 minute, and you follow it down with your 5 minutes, and then you follow it down with your 15 minutes, and obviously you wait till you get to the trend line. Now what you need with a trend line, you need a break and a close below on the 15-minute chart. Now, as you can see here, what tends to happen is people will have their stop orders quite tight below the trend line. So the price will come down, get 2 reference points for a trend line, come down, it'll stop people out, reverse back up, take people long, again take them down, and then finally it will break and close. This is just to stop people out. Excuse me. So, as I was saying, you need a close, a break and a close below for an entry short. So we're short at 1308. I was talking about EMA, sorry, yeah, it was, so 20 and 50, they're rolling over nicely, coming down below the 200. If you look here on the 1 hour, 20 and 50, they haven't crossed, so obviously you are taking that risk, but they are turning over nicely. So obviously when you do get this setup, when it comes down to a nice trend line, obviously what was support will now become resistance as well, so that's an added resistance there, along with your EMAs here. So your stop needs to go above here. I should probably, yeah, we'll stick it here. 3-1. And 3108, we'll leave out 100 pips spot to stop on this. And then we'll just let it run. Okay, so we have added confirmation now on the 1 hour chart that this trend line has been broken. We do have a close down below it. Came up, retested this trend line here, and now we're starting to move down. So all things being good, we should just see a fairly sharp move down now. Okay, so it's now 8:30. We're 50 pips up. It's a Friday night, so I think we're going to call it a night on this one. This is the, if you just look here on the 1 minute charts, you can see just double bottom, just almost about to double bottom here. It's slowly grinding down. We'll drag it back to this, drag it back to the 15-minute chart. You can quite clearly see if we just sort of analyse this trade a little bit better. So you've got your trend line which comes in here. 15-minute chart is the most valuable chart you can use when you're trading intraday. You have one touch, two touch, draw the trend line, two spikes below. This will take either stop people out or take people into the market. They'll then reverse the market. That there, believe it or not, is 2996 3083. That's a 100 pip move there, or damned as near it. They do this time and time again just to stop people out. So this is why the 15-minute chart is so important. So we went short 08 on the close there. Your EMAs are signalling a short position, and obviously we've taken, well, we haven't taken it yet, but we're 50 pips up now. We're bang on 50 pips what we are. We were in at, just double check this. We were in at 08 and the current price is 66. So yeah, 47, 48 pips. Friday night, we're just going to take the profit and move on, and let's start again on Monday. You know, you can hold these trades over the weekend. You know, everything is setting up. If you're a trend trader, then everything's setting up for a nice downward move actually. So I couldn't see why holding this would be a bit of an issue. But with the volatility in the market, you know, this could quite easily gap up. I mean, gaps up here would just be a horrendous loss. So you don't want to be taking that risk in the market. Anyway, that's the trend line trade. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll leave it at that.